What is it, Standard aside, in this video, I'm going to show you the best Windows customization tools to improve your productivity. So let's get started. So the first tool is Microsoft PowerToys. First up, Microsoft PowerToys is a free and efficient tool by Microsoft that adds pro-level features to your Windows experience. And here are three awesome modules in it. The first one is Fancy Zones, which are used for organizing open windows into custom layouts, perfect for multitasking. The second one is Power Rename. It renames multiple files in seconds. And the third one is Keyboard Manager to remap keys or shortcuts to work faster. If you're a power user or just someone who wants more control, PowerToys is a must-have. Now, the second one is the ShareX. Now, ShareX is the tool that if you need to take screenshots or use your screen with total control for screen recording, you need to use ShareX because it captures screenshots with customizable hotkeys, instantly annotate, blur, or highlight, record GIFs or videos, automatically uploads to cloud storage or clipboard. It's great for content creators, tech support, and educators. Now, the next tool is Rainmeter. Now, Rainmeter is for custom desktop widgets. If you love visual information and a sleek desktop, Rainmeter lets you display customizable widgets right on your desktop. Clock, calendar, to-do list, system stats, multitasking player, music player, and more. Tons of free skins to choose from. Helps you stay focused with minimal distractions. Set it up with a productivity layout and your desktop becomes your command center. Now, the next tool is Everything Search Tool. The Everything Search tool is your best friend because it indexes your files in seconds. Results appear instantly as you type. You can search by file name, extension, or even folder. For power users or anyone managing lots of files, this is a game changer. And now let's move to the last but not the least, the AutoHotkey. The AutoHotkey is the app that helps you launch apps with custom shortcuts to create scripts to automate repetitive tasks, replace common phrases with a single keystroke. It takes a bit of learning, but it can literally save you hours of week. So, these were the tools that improve your productivity on a daily basis. So, that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.